Hello, today we will be discussing about the heart. Heart is roughly the is a cone shape, and at the same time it is a hollow mass or hollow muscular organ rather I will say. Uh, Heart is around 10 centimeter long, and the weight of heart is 225 in females, around 225 grams in females, and around 300 plus 310 320 grams in males. When we talk about the position of the heart is basically inside the thoracic cavity, more of in a mediastinum, which means the space. Mediastinum is a space between lungs, and heart lies slightly on the left side, slide on a little bit of the left side of the chest. And when we talk about a little bit about the layers of heart, there are three layers in the heart. The outermost layer is called pericardium, the middle layer is called myocardium, and the lower level of heart is called endocardium. Outer layer, the which is pericardium, outer layer is having two sacs, and the first sac, which is the outer sac is made up of fibrous tissue, and the inner sac is made up of the serous membrane. When we go to the middle layer of the heart, which is myocardium, which we called as myocardium, they are having a specialized muscle which is called cardiac muscle, which is only present in the heart. These muscles are a little bit different from the all other muscles in our body, because these muscles resembles with skeletal muscle in term of presence of nucleus and branches, but these are not voluntary muscles. These muscles are involuntary muscles. There is a difference between skeletal muscle. There is also a fibrous tissue which surrounds the heart, which actually supported the network of fibers which support the heart, which run through across the heart muscles. When we talk about the inner layer of heart, which is endocardium, it is a chamber. It lies in the chamber as well as the walls of heart. These are epithelial cells which are smooth in nature. They are smooth. Why? Because I am saying smooth because they facilitate the circulation process inside the heart. When we talk about the anterior part of the heart is divided into two parts, right and left. If you can see this is divided by right and left. If we rotate it, I will show this divided into right and left. These two parts are separated by a muscles which is called septum. The septum is basically made up of myocardium and endocardium. These muscles together they join and they form a separation between two of the chambers. It is called septum. And now each of these two separations having two chambers means there are four chambers in a heart, two atrium and two ventricles. The upper one is called atrium and the lower one is called ventricles. And these four chambers, or precisely two chamber of each part, is divided by AV valves, or which we call arterioventricle valves. And these valves are actually double folds of endocardium. These endocardium muscles are basically forming the valves, and these valves are basically to stop the flow, in fact to stop the backward flow of blood. When there is a pressure, when there is heart is in the systole position, when there is a pressure on the atrium, these valves close, the AV valve, bicuspid and tricuspid. There is bi and tri. Bi means 2 and tri means 3. So bicuspid and tricuspid valve, they block the backflow of blood because of the pressure in atrium, and thereby When the blood reaches, and then the heart, when the blood reaches in the ventricle, again because of the pressure, more pressure on the ventricles, these AV valves close, and thereby the heart systole and diastole process of diastole and systole takes place. So thank you.